Essay: The Rise of Artificial Intelligence and Its Implications for Society. Outline: Introduction. Implications of AI for society. Positive implications. Negative implications. Conclusion. Introduction. History of AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science that deals with the creation of intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. AI has been around for decades, but it has only been in recent years that it has begun to make a real impact on society. Current state of AI. The current state of AI is rapidly evolving. AI systems are becoming more and more sophisticated, and they are being used in a wider range of applications. For example, AI is now being used to power self-driving cars, to diagnose diseases, and to create personalized learning experiences. The rise of AI is having a profound impact on society. It is creating new opportunities and challenges, and it is changing the way we live, work, and learn. Implications of AI for society. Positive implications. AI has the potential to bring about numerous positive changes in society. For example, AI can help to increase productivity. AI can automate tasks that are currently done by humans, which can free up time for humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. Improve healthcare. AI can be used to diagnose diseases more accurately, to develop new treatments, and to personalize care for patients. Increase access to education. AI can be used to create personalized learning experiences that are tailored to each student's individual needs. Solve complex problems. AI can be used to solve complex problems that are beyond the capabilities of humans, such as climate change and poverty. Make our daily lives easier and more convenient. AI can be used to automate tasks such as driving, shopping, and cooking, which can save us time and effort. Negative implications. However, AI also has the potential to create some negative implications for society. For example, AI could lead to job displacement. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are capable of doing more and more tasks that are currently done by humans. This could lead to job displacement in a number of industries. Pose privacy concerns. AI systems are capable of collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data about individuals. This data could be used to track people's movements, habits, and preferences, which could raise privacy concerns. Lead to bias and discrimination. AI systems are trained on data that is created by humans. This data can be biased, and this bias can be reflected in the AI system's output. This could lead to AI systems making decisions that are unfair or discriminatory. Be used for malicious purposes. AI systems could be used for malicious purposes such as hacking, fraud, and terrorism. This is a serious concern that needs to be addressed. Conclusion. The rise of AI is a complex issue with both positive and negative implications for society. It is important to be aware of both the potential benefits and risks of AI so that we can make informed decisions about how to develop and use this technology. The future of AI is uncertain, but it is clear that this technology has the potential to change our world in profound ways. It is up to us to ensure that AI is used for good and not for evil.